Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve investment strategies with Robinhood, complete guide step by step clearly. To improve your investment strategies with Robinhood, start by downloading the app if you haven't already. Create an account by providing your personal information and linking your bank account. Once your account is set up, take time to familiarize yourself with the platform interface. Explore the different investment options available, including stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. Research the stocks you're interested in by using the app's educational resources and news sections. Consider utilizing Robinhood's commission-free trading to make more frequent transactions without added costs. Set investment goals based on your financial situation and risk tolerance. Focus on a diversified portfolio to reduce risk and increase potential rewards. Use Robinhood's watchlist feature to keep track of stocks you are interested in. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your investment goals and market conditions. Take advantage of Robinhood's tools, such as market analysis and stock comparisons. Consider setting up recurring investments for dollar-cost averaging. Stay updated on market trends and news that may affect your investments. Evaluate your trades and learn from both successful and unsuccessful investments. Join the Robinhood community forums to gain insights from other investors. Experiment with small amounts when trying new strategies to gauge their effectiveness. Above all, remain patient and stick to your investment strategy. Understanding that market fluctuations are normal will help you maintain a long-term perspective. Continue to educate yourself by reading books, articles, and watching educational videos about investing. Adjust your investment strategies as needed but remain committed to your overall financial goals. Monitoring your progress and celebrating small wins will keep you motivated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.